almost just crashed on the driveway back there.
Wow.
Just put it in second and just go into
Sideways?
the bushes, yes. My rear end right into the bushes. I did not expect that.
Is it running good?
Yeah, it's running amazing. Perfect AFRs, everything just... It's awesome.
Anyways, I got these axle stubs I need to install. I also got these new winter tires mounted. Looking real nice on these BBS mesh wheels.
I got a flat tire.
You do?
Yes.
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
No steering, basically.
Alright! We're back with the E36. We have some things we gotta do before this Saturday. So first things first is we have some rev shift motor mounts I want to toss in. Drift mounts, they took forever to arrive. Pissed me off their customer service, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Just a little review on what happened last time. We might, you know, toss a couple zip ties on this bumper, hold it up so it's not flopping in the wind. I also need to clean up the interior, and I need to mount a passenger seat because we're taking some homies with us. I need to figure out this wiring mess that I got going on. My corner light got pulled out and my wiring got yoinked by the tire, so that's an issue. We're back with this turd, and yesterday I found a little issue we got going on. If we look at my wheel, that is a lot of slop, and it's both ways, so that's a wheel bearing. Maybe the axle nut's loose, so I'm gonna first try to tighten that down, see if that fixes it. Let's try this side too. This side is tight, so that's good. We got some work to do. Today I plan on making that passenger seat bracket and getting it mounted. Oops. Good. Fixed. Now we drill. That's all we needed. Now, cut an axis slot in the back so we can bolt them on, and we should be good to go. I'll top off. Ooh. So I got my diff I just pulled out. It's a 345 small case diff I was running. Right here we have my 391, and I just picked up this 315 medium case diff. Of course, comes with a bit of damage, but it's all right. We're draining the gear oil right now. We'll weld it up properly, and we gotta toss it in. It's currently like 9 p.m. We gotta leave tomorrow like 7 a.m. I got the drive shaft to put in right there, that diff to weld and install. Also, I got my passenger seat mounted. We also need to make a seatbelt buckle for it, and we should be good to go. All right, diff is welded, filled with fluid, and sealed up. Only issue I have is these axle flanges are the ones I custom made. It uses a medium case flange welded to a small case shaft, so I don't know if the length difference of the small case is gonna be an issue in the medium case diff, and if it's gonna blow up on me right away. So we'll find out tomorrow, basically. So yeah, womp womp if it does blow up. Foreshadowing. There we go. We got new axle stubs for the E36 rear diff. Nice used axle stubs, cheapest ones I could get on eBay. We'll toss them in the Beamer. It's been snowing quite a bit. The Beamer's been waiting. It's been like 3 days since we last worked on it. And we're basically just waiting for those axle stubs to install them, and we can finally put that thing on the ground with the new 315 diff.